money is getting harder to earn. But what if I told you that financial freedom is closer than you think? The internet is creating millionaires right now while you're watching this. The question is, are you going to be one of them, or will you keep missing out? But hold up. Before you start dreaming about Lamborghinis and penthouses, let's get real. Making money online isn't about clicking some shady, get-rich-quick link. It's about smart strategies, consistency, and knowing what actually works. And in this video, I'll break down the proven ways to make serious money online, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial success. But only if you stick around. And trust me, there's one method at the end that nobody talks about, but it's insanely profitable. The journey. 7 proven ways to make money online. Point 1, freelancing, the fastest way to earn. First, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a skill, any skill, you can turn it into money. Graphic design, writing, video editing, coding, heck, even voiceovers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal let you start today. No boss, no 9 to 5, just you, your laptop, and clients willing to pay for what you do best. And if you're thinking, but I don't have any skills, well, congrats, you're a perfect candidate for learning one. The internet is packed with free courses. Seriously, you can learn more from YouTube than some overpriced college degrees. But freelancing is just the beginning. Let's step it up. Point 2, selling digital products. Make money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to an email saying, you just made $500. No boss, no deadlines, just passive income rolling in. That's the power of digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, stock photos. Once you create them, they sell on autopilot. And the best part? You don't even need a huge audience. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy let you sell directly to people worldwide. If someone's willing to buy a digital planner for $10, imagine selling it 1,000 times. But if you think this is good, wait till you hear about the most scalable online business model. Point 3, affiliate marketing. Get paid for recommending products. Ever noticed how influencers casually recommend a product? That's not a coincidence. They get paid every time someone buys through their link. This is called affiliate marketing, and it's a goldmine if done right. And no, you don't need to be a social media star. You can start small, with a blog, a YouTube channel, or even Pinterest. And here's the kicker. Companies are spending billions on affiliates because they'd rather pay you than run ads. If you're not tapping into this, you're leaving money on the table. But what if you don't want to be on camera? Well, don't worry, I got you. Point 4, print on demand, a business with zero inventory. Imagine running an e-commerce store without handling a single product. That's the magic of print on demand. You design shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and companies like Printful and Redbubble do everything, from printing to shipping. And yes, even if you suck at design, there are AI tools and freelancers who can create killer designs for you. But let's take things next level with something that can scale to 6 figures. 5, YouTube automation. Make money without showing your face. Here's a secret. There are thousands of YouTube channels making $10,000 plus per month without ever showing their face. How? YouTube automation. You hire voiceover artists, script writers, and editors to create faceless content and let YouTube ad revenue pay you. And with YouTube Shorts blowing up, now is the perfect time to start. But what if you want truly unlimited income potential? Well, my last method is the most powerful of them all 6. AI-powered side hustles, the future of making money. Montage of AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AI automation bots. Artificial intelligence is changing everything, including how people make money. You can use AI to write books and sell them on Amazon, automate social media content, build chatbots that businesses pay for, even start an AI-powered YouTube channel. And this is only the beginning. Those who leverage AI now will be the ones leading in the next 5 years. So here's the deal. You now have 6 proven ways to make money online. But knowledge alone won't make you rich. Action will. The internet is a goldmine, but only for those who take the first step. So, which method are you going to try? Comment below. I'm curious. And don't say, I'll start next week, because next week turns into next year, and next year turns into what if? If you found value in this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next week, I'll reveal how to scale these into 6-figure businesses. And trust me, you don't want to miss it.